Wire tests and evaluations cover a wide range, including electrical, mechanical, environmental resistance tests, and material evaluations. For PV cables, environmental resistance tests and mechanical tests that consider cable usage conditions are required in addition to general cable property tests. In the environmental resistance test, the product is exposed to conditions simulating the natural environment to which PV cables are exposed, and the deterioration status due to temperature, humidity, ultraviolet rays, and ozone, etc., is investigated. In the accelerated weathering test, ultraviolet light that is stronger than sunlight is irradiated to the sample using a xenon lamp to accelerate its deterioration. In the automotive industry, strict mechanical properties are required for electrical wiring and communication cables used inside vehicles. For EV, electric vehicle, and automotive cables, mechanical and electrical properties are evaluated. High shielding performance against external noise is required for automotive communication cables in order to reliably transmit the information even in a noisy in-vehicle environment. In the absorption clamp method test, the strength of electromagnetic waves that leak from the cable is measured to evaluate the shielding performance. Durability against heat generation when the current flows is also required for automotive wires. The DC current smoke emission test for automobiles evaluates the temperature rise and smoke emission when electric wires are energized. Due to the development of industrial technology and the demands of the welfare society, high levels of durability are required for the electric wires of the movable parts that make up industrial robots and life support robots. We introduce the tests of the cables used for such movable parts. To evaluate the cable used for the bending part, the bending test and torsion test are performed. Not only the bending resistance test of the cable at room temperature, but also the bending resistance evaluation can be performed from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius in a constant temperature bath. We conduct the torsion test to evaluate the torsional resistance of cables used in industrial robots and EV, electric vehicle, power supply cables. We conduct the lightning impulse test, tracking resistance test, and water tree deterioration investigation as power cable evaluation tests. The number of cables that have been installed for 30 years or more has increased, and the needs for deterioration diagnosis and accident investigation have increased. JECTEC conducts tests and investigations based on our extensive experience in power cables.